On today's menu, an easy 20-minute recipe with incredible flavors. A simply aromatic, veggie, ramen. Lei Homa, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Whether it's cold outside or hot, it's always a great time for a bowl of delicious ramen. But before we get started, a big thank you to today's episode sponsor, Shopify. But as always, let's get started with the recipe first. Preheat the oven to 375. In this episode, we're going to be using some store-bought ingredients like the veggie stock just to save a little bit of time. But with ramen, most of the work is actually prepped ahead of time. If you'd like to make your own veggie stock from scratch, we do have an episode on that previously. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Three cups veggie stock. This here is delicious kombu, also known as the king of seaweed. It's got this thick, robust texture and a crazy delicious, salty kind of umami that we're going to add into that veggie stock. Bit of a special ingredient, but you should be able to find this at an Asian grocery store or online. About 5 grams kombu. Bring the veggie stock to a boil. We're going to be making a creamy broth today, so I'm going to be making some cashew milk, which is literally just cashews and water blended up. But to save some time, you can also use cashew milk, almond milk, or soy milk that's store-bought. That's completely cool. Blender. 2 cups filtered water. 1/4 cup cashews. Blend on high until liquefied. Remember, if you don't have a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight or boil them for a few minutes. Set the cashew milk aside. When the veggie stock comes to a boil, turn the heat off. Remove the kombu and save for other recipes. The kombu is generally not cut up and enjoyed with the actual ramen itself. You can definitely do that. However, there is an amazing seaweed salad recipe from a previous episode made with leftover kombu. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out as well. Chop in half 3 baby bok choy. About 75 grams of shiitake mushroom, sliced. Place the mushrooms with the bok choy in a large mixing bowl. Drizzle of avocado oil. Pinch of salt. Fresh cracked pepper to taste. Toss. Spread out the veggies onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Pat dry about 100 grams of medium firm tofu with a paper towel. Slice the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Place the tofu into the mixing bowl. Half teaspoon cumin. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Mix the tofu in the sauce. Place the tofu onto the baking tray. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. If you love easy and delicious recipes, then definitely pick up your copy or take a peek inside one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out the physical print books as well as the digital ebooks made possible by today's episode sponsor, Shopify. Shopify is an easy-to-use all-in-one commerce platform for anyone regardless of technical ability and experience to start to grow and manage a business. Unlike online marketplaces, you can build your very own unique storefront with Shopify to sell online in person and on all major social platforms. Digital downloads is one of the many applications that Shopify offers that empowers creators to add digital products to their existing storefront, like music, video clips, photography, templates, or digital ebooks like the 3 Young Man Cooking digital cookbooks and the digital plant-based sushi masterclass. Shopify is committed to helping entrepreneurs at every level, whether you're a big business or just starting out. If you are just starting out, Shopify's starter plan helps creators set up a shop to seamlessly sell on your favorite social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Etsy, LinkedIn, and more, using Shopify's very own link in bio tool, LinkPop. To explore further about Shopify, you can visit shopify.com/youngcreator or check out that link in the description box below. Pour in about half a cup of cashew milk into the veggie stock while whisking. By gently combining the two, this will help prevent the cashew milk from separating. Ramen bowl. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Splash of toasted sesame oil. And of course, to make it Young Man Cooking complete, we're going to use this spicy, smoky, really delicious chili oil I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home as well. Half tablespoon chili oil. 1 tablespoon Chinese white sesame paste or tahini. Whisk together the delicious flavors. A few minutes before the veggies are done, heat up the veggie stock while whisking occasionally. Cook the ramen noodles to package instructions, in this case 3 to 4 minutes. Pour the broth into the ramen bowl. Give it a whisk to combine. Strain out the noodles and add to the bowl. Assemble the bowl as you like with the veggie toppings. Feel free to make ramen with any veggies you have on hand. Garnish with a bunch of chili threads, a sprinkle of black sesame seeds, and about a tablespoon of that smoky chili oil. You can now enjoy this amazing ramen with absolute confidence. Man, ramen is just irresistible. Like I always say, that is a party I definitely want to attend. One of the things I love about ramen is that it's just visually stunning. It has that beautiful pop of crimson red color from the chili oil that's floating on top of that delicious creamy broth. And then you have all these different contrasting textures, that velvety, warm, comforting soup with those ramen noodles, that meaty tofu that just literally changed color. The shiitake mushrooms bring a lot of that umami, and you get this freshness from the bok choy. You really taste that earthy sesame paste in that broth, and you get a little of that umami from the kombu. There's just so many moving parts in that broth. That's salty, that's aromatic, a little spicy, and definitely very addictive. This is one of those recipes that's easy to put together, so delicious, and makes it so exciting to cook at home. Whether it's cold or hot outside, I can definitely always enjoy a bowl of ramen. If you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out, take a peek inside, or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. Or you can check out the Young Man Cooking merch and plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.